What else is in there?
Oh, that's the baby. Look, you pulled out baby Jesus. Can you hold it up and show Daddy?
Oh yeah, good job.
No,
Good
look at
job.
Daddy and say cheese.
Good job.
Say it again, say cheesers.
Good job.
Or donkey, look inside.
A donkey, Mom. A donkey. I hear it, Mom. That's not the donkey, Mom.
What else is in there?
I found the donkey, Mom.
Good job.
What else is in there?
It's a donkey.
That looks like a camel.
I found an animal. I found an animal.
Ooh, this is a camel.
And what else is in there, bud?
Your friends, Mom. Your friends.
Good. Can you get me another one and I'll unwrap it?
No. I think you... These are these animals, though, Mom.
Here, right here. That's the donkey.
That's donkey, Mom. That's donkey. There's at the gentle.
You have to put the tree over by the barn. Take the tree and put it by the barn.
I think that's a manger.
There have a one. Look. He went down.
Here's the shepherd. He takes care of all the animals.
They're running forward. They're running there. They run them.
Then what? Where do they run to?
At the barn.
Yeah, they're gonna go to the barn.
And where's the cow though, Mom? Where's the cow though?
I don't think there was a cow, sweetie.
Can you tell us about this, Logan? What's going on?
I don't know a donkey
Mm-hmm. What's he doing?
running and jumping.
Yeah?
Can you make the donkey go see the baby?
He's so bright, Mom. He's so bright.
He's alright.
Yeah.
Who else is there?
I don't know.
That's an angel.
I don't know.
It's one of the wise men.
He's right. Zoom. Doing an ornament. He's doing an ornament, Dad.
Yeah?
He's doing Ben. He's staring. I'm shining. Here's mine. Here's me. Here's my hand. And Papa down. Sit down.